As the auspicious day of Rath Yatra unfolded, devotees began arriving at ISKCON Indra Park and ISKCON Attapur, eager to be a part of one of Lord Jagannath's most cherished festivals. Beautiful rangolis lined on the roads, while devotees patiently waited for a glimpse of the deities. The air echoed with chants of Jai Jagannath as the flower adorned Rath stood ready for its journey. Celebrated for centuries, Rath Yatra traces its origins in Puri, in Odisha, where Lord Jagannath, along with Lord Balbhadra and Goddess Subhadra, is taken out in a grand procession from the Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. The annual journey symbolizes the Lord stepping out of the temple to bless devotees from all walks of life. The same spirit was reflected in Hyderabad. Women in traditional attire danced gracefully to the rhythm of the tal as bhajans and devotional chants filled the air. The procession drew devotees from across the city and from different parts of the country. Volunteers welcomed the crowds with water and prasadam, while thousands walked together in a celebration of faith and togetherness. For many, Rath Yatra is more than a religious procession. It is a tradition passed down through generations, a celebration that brings families, friends, and communities together. And as the Rath made its way through the city, it carried with it not just the deities, but centuries of faith, devotion, and shared tradition.
दिस इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। ये एक्सपीरियंस वर्ड्स में आप एक्सप्रेस ही नहीं कर सकते। ऐसा लगता है कि बस हम सीधा जगन्नाथपुरी में ही हैं और वहाँ पे उनके दर्शन कर रहे हैं और उनका रथ खींच रहे हैं। और इस्कॉन टेम्पल से तो हमारी वैसे भी एक अटैचमेंट ही अलग है। हमेशा से शुरू से हम हर फेस्टिवल पे दर्शन करते हैं यहाँ पे आके।
హరే కృష్ణ. ఇక్కడికి రావడం నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం. చాలా బాగుంది ఇక్కడ రథయాత్ర. చాలా మంది చాలా వందల సంఖ్యలో ఇక్కడ ఇస్కాన్ని చూడడానికి, జగన్నాథ్ని దర్శించుకోవడానికి వచ్చారు. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినాక చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపించింది. మా ఫ్యామిలీతో వచ్చాను. మా పిల్లలు కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు. హరే కృష్ణ.
यात्रा बहुत अच्छा होता है यहाँ पे, हर साल बहुत अच्छा होता है और एक डिवाइन एनर्जी रहता है, ठीक है। और साथ ही साथ ये लोग बहुत आनंद करते हैं। और
मैं तो ये मंदिर को 3-4 साल से जानता हूँ, मगर ये रथ यात्रा जो है ना, शोभा यात्रा 5 साल से निकल रहे हैं ना, और बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा। मंदिर को आए तो भी बहुत अच्छा दिखता है यहाँ पर। और रथ यात्रा में भी भक्त बहुत उत्सव से आते हैं। भक्त कोई किसी को जबरदस्ती बुलाया नहीं जाता, सब भक्त अपनी मर्जी से आते हैं यहाँ पर।
So we are at ISKCON Attapur and today we are celebrating Sri Jagannath Rath Yatra, and today we see thousands of people have come over here. The experience is truly blissful. It is truly out of this world, and what we want from you is to come and experience such things because it cannot be expressed in words. The Lord personally comes out from the altar to give His mercy and blessing to all of us. So let's be a part of this.